Typography is the art and technique of arranging type to make copy legible, readable, clear, and visually appealing. Copy is any text that's published digitally or printed for an audience to consume. Whether it's on our phones or in books or on websites, we're constantly digesting written words. Typography is a vital component of user interface design. It can help you, as a designer, to establish a strong visual hierarchy, provide balance, set the product's overall aesthetic and tone, and so much more. Typography should guide and inform your users, optimize readability and accessibility, and ensure an excellent user experience. It can help us build brand recognition, influence decision-making, and grab and hold the user's attention. A bad design can disturb the basic function of typography, readability, and completely discourage readers from actually reading the content, which leads to bad user experiences and lackluster business results. The typefaces you choose to work with can either support the brand's message or distract from it. Whether we realize it or not, type and the way it appears affects which book cover catches our eye, or which detergent we think will work best. Typography can help the products you work on stand out. Take a look at the examples of book covers on the left. Which one grabs your attention the most? Typography is used to further communicate what the book might be about. There is no right or wrong answer though. Based on who you are and your preferences, one of these might stand out more than the others. You might find all of them interesting, or none of them. Much of this happens unconsciously, which is why typography is so invisible to the average person. Since we're talking about invisibility, let's take a look at a couple of digital products with and without text. Would you be willing to book this stay through Airbnb? It looks good, sure, but a lot of information is missing. When is it available? What's the rating? How much does it cost? Are there additional fees to keep in mind? None of this information is available without text. Actually, most of the information we get through text. Without it, the page is almost empty. You might be able to guess the album that's playing on Spotify if you know the cover, but it's impossible to guess the song without the title and the duration. Would you know what song to play next? Can you search for anything else? Even social media falls flat without typography. Most of the content is not there. You might be able to guess a friend or two based on their avatars, but that's pretty much it you can do. Finally, the same thing is true for mobile apps. None of these are usable nor useful. Can you even guess what apps you're looking at? As you can see, there's not a lot that remains once we get rid of typography. The truth is, most of the content in a digital product is the text. One of the first things, if not the first one, you will be doing as a designer is defining your typography. If you're designing a website for marketing purposes, the copy is crucial. It persuades the visitors to take action. Your work should enhance that effect. Copy is, however, not just used for marketing purposes. Typography plays a massive role in user interfaces. As a designer working with type, you will have to choose typefaces, position copy in layouts, plan font sizes, adjust spaces between lines and paragraphs, and you will learn how to do all of that and more inside of this course. It's all about organizing information for our users in an objective and deliberate way. In the next lessons and modules, you will learn how to be intentional about your type choices. So let's dive in.